Hey guys, Norm here with Southern Cards again. We're going to have some fun today. I've been to Walmart, as you can probably see all over the table here. I've got a ton of stuff. I stopped by, they had a ton of stuff on clearance. You can see all the yellow stickers, and it's all 2018 stuff. So we're going to have a little fun just ripping a bunch of different stuff. I've got a playoffs hanger box. I've got a playoffs blaster box. I got a prestige hanger box. 7 hanger packs. They're the 30 packs of the Dondress. And then 2 hanger packs of Score. They're all 2018. So a lot of good rookies in that class. So let's just go ahead and rip and see what we can get. I wanted to I just do something different. And it was on clearance. I think these were like $3.98 a pack, something like that. The Prestige and the Playoff right there, they were $8 a box, I think. I mean, it's not super cheap when I think clearance, but compared to some of the other prices and the rookies, I mean, some of the stuff you could probably get out of here might be all right. I mean, I don't live close to a hobby store, so my closest store is an hour and a half away. So sometimes I just take what I can get, but we are going to get to a hobby store. We are. So we'll start off with the cheapest stuff first. I don't expect a whole lot of here out of here. I'll skip through most of the cards because we've all seen them. We'll just get down to the parallels, stuff like that. Let's see here what we got. And gotta love Score. They're all over the place as far as Casey Keenum. Mariota. Throw it out there. So that's a hit for me. James Winston. All right, here we go. We got a Robert Woods scorecard. I got a Jarrell Casey. We got a Captains. Oh, Russell Wilson. Blake Bortles. Color Rush, Derek Carr. I like these cards. I like well, it looks good with the Raiders anyway, with the color. The white card with the Raiders uniform. It's pretty cool. We have a scoreboard. Tom Brady. That's always good. Carson Wentz. Signal Callers. Christian McCaffrey sidelines. Andy Dalton. My dogs are making all kind of racket outside running across the porch. If y'all hear that, I'm sorry. Rod Smith. Adrian Key on a drafts. Kyle Rudolph, captains. Travis Kelce, celebration. That's pretty cool. Minka Fitzpatrick. I got that one, didn't I? Fantasy Stars, Melvin Gordon. We got a Saquon Barkley rookie. Van Der Esch rookie. Leighton Van Der Esch rookie. Austin something. Ryan Izzo rookie. Michael Gallup rookie. And a Royce Freeman rookie. All right. Nothing like outstanding in there, but you get a lot of inserts and stuff, so that's kind of cool. I wasn't expecting much out of these anyways, but hey, it is what it is. I'll have fun sorting them out and putting them up where they belong. I'll have fun with all these different stacks of different type of cards. Might just have to make big stacks. Y'all hear my dogs out there? They're just raising Cain. If anybody lived close to me and wanted a free pit bull that was a stray that just come to my house, you'd be more than welcome to have him. He's a beautiful dog. I just got one big dog already. It's hard to feed two big dogs. And support my habit here. Cards. Got Greg Olson there. Scan through. See if we get anything. And Delaney Walker. That's for me. All right. Daniel Hunter. Matthew Stafford in the red. Deon Cain in the red. Josh Gordon, all hands team. That's a pretty cool looking card. That's a good picture. Yep. I'll have to go through these later. Russell Wilson, sidelines. Casey Keenum, signal callers. Color Rush, Christian McCaffrey. It's another cool looking card. Russell Wilson, scoreboard. Mitchell Trubisky, the biscuit, signal callers. Larry Fitzgerald, captains. Detroit Lions, huddled up. Denzel Ward in the draft. We've got captains, that's J.J. Watt. Then Kareem Hunt, Fantasy Stars. Drew Brees, captains. And then our rookies will be Deshaun Hand. James Washington. Josh Adams. Rashaan Evans. Marquise Hurst. DeAndre Goldsby. All right. Well, there's that. Like I said, that goes about how I planned. I don't usually get these because the rookies are in their they're in their college uniforms, and personally, it's a pain in the butt when you're sorting these things out and putting rookies where they go. I just can't remember. I'm just so used to looking at the uniform, putting them where they go. And then here I am. I need to print me out a list of what players with what team. That'd probably be the easiest way to do it. But I don't. All right. I think we'll save the boxes for last, and we'll go with the 7 packs. 7 hanger packs of the Dodgers. So we'll try to buzz through these too. Everybody's seen them. Everybody knows what they look like. If you haven't, this is pretty much the base card. I mean, it is a good looking card. I like the cards this year too. But there's Brett Favre. So you can see them blues down there. That's what we're trying to get to. The blues and the rookies. Oh, that's a cool picture. Adam Vinatieri. Look at that. All that snow. That's cool. I didn't see that one last year. All right. It's a press proof. Phillip Rivers in the blue. Pretty nice. Jonathan Ogden. I think that's how you spell it. Ogden. Mark Brunell. Press proof blue. Kalen Ballage. Rated rookie in the press proof blue. Guess I can't see it when I have it over there, huh? Ooh, that's nice. Gridiron Kings, Tom Brady. It's all right. I like it. That's pretty cool. Anytime you get a Tom Brady, you're pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good hit. Michael Gallup, rated rookie. Carlton Davis, rookie. Kyle Laletta, rookie. I like it. Those are fun. More fun than the score. So we'll stick them there. Guess we'll just pile these up over here. All right, next one. Oh, there's Aaron. I got Brett Favre on the last one and Aaron Rodgers on this one. All right. We've got a Evan Ingram, press proof. Travis Frederick, press proof. We've got a Chris Carson, press proof. And a Joshua Jackson, rookie. Pretty cool. Kareem Hunt, 1,327 rushing yards. It's kind of like a throwback card. It's what it kind of looks like. It's pretty neat. Pretty neat. Sony Michel, rated rookie. Joshua Wilkins, rookie card. And an Anthony Miller, rated rookie. I don't think we need to really worry about them kid reporters now, do we? All right. Yeah, me and my daughter, we're going to sort. I got a whole huge box over there we got to sort out and put everything where it goes later. Should be fun. There's another Brett Favre. There's another snow kicker. I think that's just a cool picture. All right. Chandler Jones, press proof. Mark Ingram, press proof. Terrell Suggs, blue press proof. And a Isaiah Oliver, rookie. There's a Snow Days. Marlon Mack. That's cool. And then we have a Ronald Jones Jr. rated rookie. A Quentin Nelson rookie. And a Christian Kirk rated rookie. There's all them quarterbacks. That's what we're looking for. All right, there's Eli. I'll set them off to the side. Josh Norman, press proof. Jarvis Landry, press proof. Hey, look there. There's a Corey Davis, press proof. I like that, the blue on blue. Then we got a John Kelly, rated rookie. We got a Josh Norman, Gridiron Kings. Taven Bryan, rookie. Traquan Smith, rated rookie. There we go. And then Darwin James, rookie. Not bad. 3 more of these and we get into the big boxes. It's going to be a long video, which most of mine are long anyway. So, all right. There's a Dan Bailey on the front. We have a... Ooh, these are nicked on the corners, every one of them. Irvison Griffin. Alshon Jeffries. And a Brett Favre. That sucks. Brett Favre. And a Bradley Chubb rated rookie. And believe it or not, that one, yeah, got it right there. Oh, check that out. Warren Moon. Walter Payton Man of the Year. Even though the corner's dinged, that ain't gonna matter. I'll keep it. That'll be all right. I can live with it. That's cool. We'll take that. Josh Sweat, rookie. Jamon Moore, rookie, rated rookie, and a who's that? Derek Naughty. I don't know that guy, rookie. That stinks. Those are dinged up on the corners, but you know them being in the clearance, there's not a whole lot you can do about it. They've been bounced around. I mean, you look at the packs; they've been bounced around and thrown and probably searched, felt of, and there's no telling. It is what it is. Walter Jones on the front. Now I'll go back through every one of these once I get done, check them out, see if I missed anything. Deshaun Jackson, blue press proof. Marquise Lee. Peyton Manning, blue press proof. And a Jamon Moore press proof. And these are all in pretty good shape. Oh, that's a nice one. Todd Gurley. Got some flash. Whoa, and I drop it. Imagine that. Oh. Not numbered or anything. Still a good looking card. We have a Tanner Lee. Now, how close does that look to like a Gardner Minshew card, right? I mean, I wish I had one just laying out here, but I don't. It's almost exactly the same, like stance and everything. Oh well. Jalen Samuels, rated rookie. Traquan Lewis, rookie. And that kid reporter that it's no good. That looks like if I held that thing way out here, you'd think that was a Minshew. That's funny. One more. And then we'll get into the boxes. Hopefully the boxes will be a little bit more exciting. So if you scan through all these packs and on the video just to get to the boxes, I don't blame you. But I'm having fun. So Jarvis Landry, press proof. There we go. Another Corey Davis, press proof. Tariq Cohen. It's hard to read these blue. Well, you can barely see it, so that's how I'm looking at it too. I have to get it in the light like that to be able to see it. Press proof. There we go. Mason Rudolph, rated rookie. Is he going to be the Steelers' #1 quarterback? Is Big Ben going to retire? If so, will his cards go up in value? Who knows? There is Elite Series rookie. And it look. I don't know if that's something on that. I guess that's just the way it looks. It looks like it's, I don't know, had moisture in the pack or something. Darius Geis. That's a cool looking card. Ian Thomas, rated rookie. Durham Smith, rookie card. And a Josh Allen, rated rookie. There we go. We got 2 quarterbacks. 2 pretty good quarterbacks in 1 pack. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Well, that's what 7 packs look like, not including the rookies. So we'll set them there. Let's get the score out of the way, too. We got a lot of sorting to do tonight. All right, I guess we'll go Prestige first. Get my little scissors out here. We're already up to like 19 minutes on the video. I know half of y'all won't even watch the first 5 minutes, but for you guys that actually watch the whole thing, hats off to you. Because you just never know what you're going to get. You got 60 cards per pack or box. And these, it said we could get something out of here. Ultra rare SP rookies deliver the biggest prospects from the 2018 draft. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. I like what I see on the back. It's a Titan. I'm already a winner. I got a Titan. And we're just going to blow through these. We've all seen all of these. We'll try to get down to the goody goodies. Yep, there we go. Try to get to the goody goodies so I don't take up an hour of your time. DeAndre Goldsby. Rookie. Got some shine to it. Josh Adams. Brandon Marshall. Extra points. Sean Lee. Got the shiny. That guy. I ain't even gonna try it. Ain't no sense in it. Alvin Kamara. Rising Stars. Mason Rudolph. Pretty cool. Got a passport. Pretty neat. There we go with the rated rookie I got. We'll take it. Alvin Kamara. Stars of the NFL. It's a good looking card. We have Russell Wilson. Pretty good looking card. And is that it? No, there's more rookie cards. Joshua Jackson. Mark Andrews. Denzel Ward. Jalen Samuel. Riley Ferguson. I guess that was it. Lots of quarterbacks. Case Keenum, I've done what? It seems like he's been on a couple teams just going through these packs already. Yep. There's Derrick Henry. And a Muhammad. I ain't even gonna try to say his first name, and he's on my PC. Eh. All right. Like I said, I'll go back through these later on. But pretty neat. Ton of cards. My dogs are still running around out there. Nothing really just mind-blowing and all that stuff. But none of it really is. All right, playoffs. Let's do... I don't know what we should do. Let's do the blaster. No, let's do the hanger box. Yeah, we'll do the blaster last. So I think in the blaster we actually got a chance of... No, that's on this. Rookie autographs. Yeah, you can get a Contender's rookie autograph out of here. We're not going to get it, but we could. But we're not. I mean, I don't have that kind of luck. That'd be pretty cool, though, if we did. It'd be pretty cool. But you never know. All right. I wasn't too much into the playoffs cards last year because, you know, they're just kind of dull looking. But I said, what the heck. I bought about everything they had besides just the regular Panini cards. They had just the regular packs of Panini, and I just really don't like them. So, I don't remember how all these went, so we'll just have to blow through them till we get some good stuff somewhere. There's a Delaney Walker. I see it. I'll go ahead and throw it out. There's another one. Are they all on the ends? Oh, there we go. There's George Kittle. That's pretty cool. I got a Cam Newton in the green. You can get the green parallels in these. Marlon Mack in the green. Seth Roberts in the green. Danny Amendola in the green. Bradley Chubb rookie. There we go. Mark Andrews rookie. Josh Norman Hidden Gems. That's a cool looking card. Rookie wave, Saquon Barkley. That's I like these rookie waves. I think I had a Baker, and I gave it to a buddy of mine. It was a rookie wave. It's real nice. So that's a pretty cool card. We got a Russell Wilson, Air Command. Thunder and Lightning, AJ Green and Tyler Effort, whatever you want to call him. Another rookie wave of Cortland Sutton. That's pretty cool. Get two of them. Air Command of Phillip Rivers. We have a Kerryon Johnson rookie. Nice. Oh, Amani Watts rookie. That dude's like fast. Mark Walton rookie. Marcel Aitman rookie. Marcus Davenport rookie. And a Bradley Chubb rookie. All right, it's not too bad. It's a fun little pack. Let's make sure I didn't just miss something. Marshawn Lynch. There's another Titan. And like I said, I'll have to go back through all these, get all the quarterbacks out, and I separate all the quarterbacks. I separate all the inserts, and I separate all my rookies from all the rest are just base cards. Everything gets separated out in its own little spot. That's just how I do it. Here. That's a good thing about this hobby. You can separate things out the way you want. If you just want to put them all in one big mess, you can. And all my quarterbacks, all my rookies, all my PC, and all my inserts go into penny sleeves. The only thing that don't go into penny sleeves is the regular base cards. But they go into a nice, like, box by themselves. All right, here we go. This was 7 packs, 8 cards per pack. It's a long video, guys. I don't know if anybody will watch this thing. All right, J.J. Watt, Khalil Mack, Patrick Mahomes. We take that. Mankers, Phillip Rivers, Levon Bell. Our rookie will be Cedric Wilson Jr. and Lorenzo Carter. All right. Anytime you get a Patrick Mahomes, that's good, right? Allen Hurns, Deshaun Watson, Jordan Howard, Xavier Rhodes, Bobby Wagner, Cameron Meredith, I don't know. Thunder and Lightning, Chris Hogan and Rob Gronkowski. That's a pretty cool looking card. Rookie will be Jair Alexander. I guess that's how you say it, Jair. I don't know. Dang, I got a lot of cards to go through. Maybe I should have broke this up in like 3 videos. Marquise Lee, David Njoku, Chandler Jones, Corey Davis, Marshawn Lynch again, George Kittle, Alex Collins, and our rookie is DJ Moore. I don't know if we're guaranteed anything out of here or not. I know we get them green parallels, as they call them. I don't. Look at those colors on these cards really don't matter a whole lot to me. Mr. Blunt, Zay Jones, Will Fuller, Alvin Kamara, Derrick Henry, Terrell Pryor, I don't know. Another Saquon. That's pretty good. And a Jalen Holmes rookie. We'll take him Saquons. We'll take him. There's a good looking card. Trey Burton, D.D. Westbrook, John Brown, Robert Woods, Big Ben, Adam Thielen, my bad. We have a Deshaun Watson, Air Command, and a rookie of O.J. Chark Jr. Last 2 packs, and I'm going to let y'all have it. Have at it. Let you loose. Ty Montgomery, Mitch Trubisky, Leonard Fournette, Tyler Lockett, Marshawn Lattimore, Richard Matthews, Thunder and Lightning, Earl Thomas, and Bruce Irvin. Pretty neat. And we have a Danny Ellington rookie quarterback. What happened to him? Practice squad, maybe? Who knows? Last pack. Josh Gordon, J.J. Nelson, Matthew Stafford, Kenny Stills, Pierre, whatever his name is, Drew Brees. We have a rookie wave of Cortland Sutton. I believe that's the second one we've got too. And a Darius Fountain rookie. Well, we didn't get a whole lot out of all that stuff. But that is the way we go. We got a lot of good inserts. I got a ton of vet quarterbacks that I just seen scanning through a lot of that stuff. But as far as rookie quarterbacks, we did not get a whole lot. I mean, I got Josh Allen and Mason Rudolph. That was about my 2 quarterback pickups. And I got a second year Mahomes. Got some rookie waves of Cortland Sutton and Saquon. Got doubles of them. That's about it. Well, I got Riley Ferguson. But nothing huge. But that's the way it goes. That's the hobby. But I'm going to let you guys go. I've got a ton of stuff I've got to sort out now. So till next time, I hope y'all enjoyed this really long video. I'm out of here.